Hi guys, here Miss Sanchez, and I am so very excited because today we have our first lesson in our distance learning. Yeah, today is Monday, March 30th, 2020. Remind your parents to send me a text or an email so I can take attendance. March 30th, Monday. Oh, we have a birthday in the house. Yay! Yes, today is Aviran's birthday. Aviran, happy birthday. I wish you the best and a great day. I hope to see you soon and hug you and celebrate with cupcakes, okay? Now, let's go to math. Blue papers are your math papers. So in your papers, you need to look for this worksheet. This is gonna be the one you're gonna use for important information. This is like a cheat sheet. You're gonna use it, you're gonna need it. This is your resources to understand what we're gonna do in math this week. Today, our lesson is really simple. And after the lesson, you're gonna be completing this worksheet. Math is blue, so look for the blue worksheet. On top, it should say March 30th. And that's what we are going to be talking about today. Today, we're gonna talk about mode. No, I'm not thinking about a pipe in a mode and all those delicious dessert. Mode. Mode, remember the keyword? The keyword is most. So mode is the number that appears the most. You look at your data set, your numbers, and the number that appears the most, that is going to be your mode. I'm going to write an example on the board. Let's say that this is my data set. My data set, these are the numbers, 7, 9, 8, 10, 9, and 3. I think, what is the number that appears the most? Oh, I know, piece of cake. I see the number 9 here, and I see the number 9 here again. So that means that my mode is 9, the number that appears the most. Now, another example before we go to the worksheet. What about if you have something like this? Let me read those numbers for you. 22, 12, 15, 12, 22, 9. I think, what is the number that appears the most? Oh, I see 22 once, 22 twice. Oh, wait a minute. Do you see what I see? I also see 12 once and twice. That's not a problem. Do not worry. You can have more than one number. So for this particular data set, your mode will be 22 and 12. You get it? Very good. Now, when you are ready to work, you're going to find your worksheet that has the March 30th date on it, and it reads, find the mode of each set of numbers. You're going to look at your numbers and you're going to find the mode. I'm going to do the first one with you guys and then you do them on your own. All right, I am ready to go over the worksheet. We're going to do one together and then you do it on your own. But remember, if you have questions, mom or dad can always text me or email with your questions, okay? Everybody has their blue form. Make sure it has March 30 on it and write your name. The first one, this is my data set. These are my numbers. 73, 63, 78, 62, 70, 65, 65, 64, 77, and 64. Wow, there is a lot of numbers in that data set, but take your time. We are finding mode, the number that appears the most. So I look at my numbers and I think, let me see. Oh, I see that there's a 65 here, 65 again. So I think, oh, wait a minute. I see a 64 here and another 64. So for this particular exercise, this problem, you have two modes, 65 and 64. And that's okay. You can have one number or more than one as your mode. That's the answer for number 1. Now guys, I wish you the best. Think and complete your worksheet for Monday. See you tomorrow.